In this video I'll show you several ways to diagnose a bad wheel bearing on a car or motorcycle. The first method is the easiest and allows you to determine which of the front wheel bearings is faulty. In order to determine which of the front wheel bearings will soon fail, for this you need to go to a free road, accelerate a little, and make small turns from one side of the road to the other in motion. Turning right will load the left bearing, and turning left will load the right bearing. If the bearing hums or makes noise under load, it will be audible and means that this bearing needs to be replaced. The second way to check the bearings that I will now show is more accurate, and using this method you can check not only the front, but also the rear bearings of a car or motorcycle. And for this you need to first jack up the wheel bearing on which we want to check. Then you need to grab the suspension spring with one hand and rotate the wheel with the other hand. For a more accurate diagnosis, try in each coil of the spring that you can reach and try to rotate the wheel in both directions. Defective bearing will give vibrations and rolls to the spring. Even more clearly you will understand which bearing is faulty when you diagnose all four wheels. Another way to diagnose wheel bearings is to hang the wheel and spin it with a car engine. The car must be fixed very firmly. The suspended wheel must be spun with the help of the engine. Move the gearshift lever to the neutral position. Get out of the car and listen to the noise from the wheel. You cannot get out of the car, but use a video camera and simply record the noise that the wheel makes during fast spinning.